So Rahamim is a Hebrew word from the scriptures, from the Old Testament. And it's a word that means mercy. So the Sisters of Mercy chose that word. But there are many, many words for mercy in the Hebrew scriptures. This one in particular means womb compassion. So Rahamim, when we find it in the scriptures, it's another word for God, actually. It's the action of God. And we think of it, if we think of the whole cosmos as like a womb, and that compassion is being spread not just within the human community but to all of Earth, or the whole cosmos really, given all of the interconnectedness that we now know that science is teaching us. So yeah, Rahamim is a really good way of expressing what this very ministry is about, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all life. And if we think of it like a womb of compassion, it's kind of a good image. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And it's important to the Bathurst community in what ways?
Well, some of the ways that people have told me about is that because it's the sisters that have founded it and are still here, it's kind of a neutral space. So a lot of other groups that come together here to share ideas representing their other groups in the community, they come here because there's no sense of competition. It's a space where they can come freely. It's not university against university or business against business. Everyone can come here and it's a safe space for them to share ideas, because the Sisters of Mercy aren't going to steal their, aren't going to compete for the funding or anything or the status or whatever it is. So I think that's very important, and it's very important through our involvement with the Wiradjuri community, because they don't want to be involved, say, in a political party, or they don't want to be associated or branded as such. So when they come here, they know that it's neutral ground for everyone, and we can get on with the business of kind of saving the planet without all of the bickering that sometimes happens.